You've been dreaming of home ownership here in Texas? Maybe you're a first-time home buyer or a veteran ready to plant roots here in the Hill Country. But here's the scary truth. One mistake can hinder you from getting approved for an FHA or VA loan. This mistake could cost you the house that you just fell in love with. If you don't know what lenders are looking for, if your debt to income ratios are a little bit too high, or if you choose the wrong home, you can lose thousands in earnest money, time, and your dream home. Don't let that happen. In this video, we're gonna walk through what you need to know when it comes to getting approved for FHA and VA loan program. I'm gonna go ahead and break it down, no fluff, so that way you can leave here with clarity and confidence. Okay, let's start with FHA loan. This one is one of the most popular ones. It is perfect for first-time home buyers or buyers with low down payments. Let's talk about minimum credit score requirements and down payment. With a minimum score of 580 or above, qualify for an FHA loan with only 3.5% down payment. Now, if you have a credit score closer to 500 to 579, you are looking at an FHA loan that might require 10% down. Now, if you happen to be under that 500 credit score, you won't be eligible for FHA finance. When it comes to debt to income or DTI, lenders are gonna want a 43%, but they will go up to 50% debt to income ratio. When it comes to qualifying my clients for the payment that they really want, I want to go ahead and disclose and give them clarity upfront. So I include taxes as well as HOA fees in all those numbers. As for down payment and closing costs for FHA financing, you can use gift funds as well as a down payment assistance. The best part about FHA is that you can also ask for seller's contribution. Did you know that sellers can cover up to 6% of your closing cost? Now, let's talk about mortgage insurance. If you decide to pay for mortgage insurance upfront, that premium will cost you 1.75%. However, if you decide to pay for mortgage insurance throughout the life of the loan, this is going to be a fee on a monthly basis that will not come off unless you refinance. Now, let's talk about property requirements. When you obtain an FHA loan, the property must meet a minimum standard, which means they're not going to approve a property that has peeled paint or safety hazards or any foundation issues. All of those are red flags when it comes to FHA finance. Facts-based tip: FHA financing is perfect for those resale homes under $500,000 in places like Georgetown, Leander, and parts of Liberty Hill where you can find older established neighborhoods. Okay, now let's move on to a VA loan. VA loans are a powerful benefit if you are active military, veteran, or a qualified spouse. And yes, Texas has some additional VA perks you're gonna wanna know about. Eligibility or certificate of eligibility. How do you get this? If you have served 90 days consecutive during wartime, you're eligible. If you've served 181 days during peacetime, you're also eligible. Or if you've served 6 years as a National Guard or reserves, you are eligible. Down payment, you've got none. No down payment is needed on a conforming loan up to $776,000, $550 as of 2025. For VA loans, there is also no PMI. That's huge savings in comparison to the FHA loan program. Now let's talk VA funding fee. You will be charged a VA funding fee up to 2.15% on your first VA loan and 1.5% on your second VA loan. Now let's talk credit score. Most VA lenders will want you to be at least a 620 credit score, but know that there's no minimum credit score for a VA loan. Now let's talk a property requirement. Very similar to FHA, VA lenders will want the house to be safe and livable. We want to make sure that we purchase from a VA approved builders as well. I've worked with so many veterans who did not even know that they were able to qualify for a home until we walked through it together. Helping someone who has served our country feel safe and settled, well, that's why I do what I do. Are you a veteran? VA almost always win. Lower cost, no PMI, less cash up front. Is your credit lower, or are you a first-time home buyer? FHA is more flexible, especially when it comes to those gift funds and down payment assistance program. Do you want to buy new construction? Well, let's make sure that builder is VA approved. If not, FHA will be easier. Do you want to roll in repairs? Well, that FHA 203K will definitely be better than the VA when it comes to fixer-upper scenario. Choosing the right loan program will affect your rate, your monthly payment, even your ability to compete in a multiple offer situation. FHA is like the Toyota Corolla of loans, reliable and widely accepted. VA, however, that's your fully loaded F-150. Strong, smart, and designed with you in mind if you've served. Still wondering about which loan program is right for you? I'm here to help. Whether you're a veteran looking for your forever home here in Liberty Hill, or a first-time home buyer exploring Cedar Park or Georgetown, Texas, I've got the tools and knowledge to help you through the process. Call or text me on the number on the screen, or if you're ready to book that strategy call, go ahead and utilize the link in my description. I've helped buyers just like you, nervous, hopeful, and ready for clarity. Make smart and confident moves. Let's make sure your financing supports your future. I can't wait to hear your story. If you found this of value, go ahead and comment below which branch of the military you've served in. I'm curious to find out. To all my active military, all my veterans, thank you so much for your service, and until next time, take it easy.